Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting a voice that matches your intended audience and tone. Choose gender, age, and speaking style that suit your content and brand. Compare 3 candidate voices and listen for naturalness, clarity, and emotion. Test sample lines that include names, acronyms, and numbers spoken as digits. Use a sample rate of 48,000 Hz and a bitrate of 192 kbps for clean audio. Confirm the voice handles contractions and mixed language phrases without glitching. Finalize the voice only after you hear consistent, stable pronunciation across samples. Prepare a production-ready script that includes punctuation and pronunciation cues. Spell unusual names phonetically and mark contractions to avoid mispronunciation. Set target pacing between 140 and 160 words per minute for natural rhythm. Insert pauses of 0, 5 to 1, 0 seconds at commas and 1, 0 to 1, 5 seconds at periods for clarity. Use SSML tags to emphasize words, insert breaks, and force phonemes when available. Run a short test render of 1 paragraph, then review and correct misread words before full rendering. After rendering, perform gentle audio editing to remove clicks and breaths. Apply a high-pass filter at 80 Hz and light equalization to enhance presence. Use subtle compression with a 3:1 ratio to even dynamic range and avoid pumping. Export final masters as WAV at 48,000 Hz 24-bit for archives and MP3 at 320 kbps for streaming distribution. Normalize to a target level around -14 LUFS for online platforms. Finally, verify licensing and obtain written consent for commercial voice use before publishing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.